Did you know that you can use ChatGPT with SciSpace? And if you did know, I'm going to show you how easy it is. So once you have a ChatGPT account under the same email address as you create for your SciSpace account, you can easily use it too. And once you sign into your SciSpace account, on the left hand side, you have a ton of options here. One of them on the lower part would say with chat, you will see it basically shows you that you can connect ChatGPT. So all you have to do is just simply click on the chat with ChatGPT. And here you will see that it opens up ChatGPT in a separate tab, and it basically shows you that you can use ChatGPT with SciSpace. If you look here, guys, I'm currently in ChatGPT, and here it says ChatGPT SciSpace, and as you can see that you can basically use it right away. So this is my ChatGPT. I have SciSpace with it, and it's absolutely fantastic. You can start using it right away with SciSpace. And that's it, guys. Here you can see if I click the drop down, I can do multiple things. There's a SciSpace really into my ChatGPT there, and I can start using it. Amazing stuff, guys. Very easy and very simple.